And Turismo. The premier male pageant spectacle in Holland is about to begin. Who will stand out? Live at Victory Gym Athletic Club. This is the sashing and presentation night of Mr. Savalas 2026. With power and perseverance, let's welcome your Savalas Kings wearing their gym attire, powered by Victory Gym and Athletic Club. The Kings has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Zambales, here are your hosts for tonight. Our rising content creator, former Mr. Zambales King, and your Mr. Grand Philippines Ambassador 2023, Mr. Clarence Abue, together with a commercial that's written at Fall, a brand ambassador, and the man of the world Philippines 2024 himself, Mr. Ian Abad Santos.
Good evening, victorious people.
And good evening, people of Zambales, and welcome to the much anticipated Saturday and presentation night of our Zambales Kings.
Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, as we kick off ending the year, introducing our new kings, and start the new year with a bang.
This is
The session and presentation night of Mr. Zambales 2026.
Dyan, Ruby!
Round of applause, please. Please join us on stage. Brother. Wala akong masabi. Ang gugwapo ng mga katabi ko. Bababa na lang ako. Hindi. Joke lang. Pero, siyempre, hubuli na namin, Miguel, ha? Mr. Culture. Mr. Zambales Culture. Share us, tell us about your experience and baka pwede mong i-share sa ating audience tonight. Yung naging experience mo throughout your journey and ano magiging advice mo sa papalit sa'yo?
So hello, good evening. My experience throughout my journey as a pageantero or as part of Standout family, it wasn't so easy. But because of them, they helped me to motivate myself to become better. You know, like you will find yourself in a better position. Kasi I started as someone na sobrang hiyain and nabubuli ng maraming tao. And look at me now, I can say na I am confident enough because of them, because they helped me to become the person of who I am today.
That's very well said. Totoo naman yun. Pageantry builds confidence and maging better version or the best versions of ourselves. Totoo yan. Siguro lahat ng mga kasama ko dito na nagpa-pageant, we share the same experience and it's truly a life-changing one. Because after pageant, it's not during the competition, di ba? It's not during the competition, it's what comes after the competition, kung anong magiging klaseng tao ka.
And of course, with that, syempre, by knowing also yourself, you get to inspire other people to do so. And next is for Mr. Tourism, Hilbert Tamayo. So you would like to share some experience and advice to those people and children that would like to do pageantry soon.
So first of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and to my fellow Zambaleños from Ayabi, province of Zambales. So my greatest experience overall sa national pageant ko was I developed my personal strength and my weaknesses. I use my weaknesses to be my strength. So one of the weaknesses ko is lumaban sa madaming tao, like showcasing myself, but after nung lumapit ako sa national pageants, it turns out na yung weakness ko is naging strength ko din. And a message to my successor is Mr. Zambales Tourism Philippines 2025 isn't just a title, but it is a responsibility and credibility na pwede mong gamitin sa maayos na.
Yes, that's right. Thank you so much, Gilbert Tamayo. Guys, paalala lang yung sinasabi niyong makipaglaban sa maraming tao, hindi makipagsuntukan, ha? It's just his way to prove himself confidently sa harap ng maraming tao.
Saka totoo yun, hindi madali ang nasa stage at mag-compete. Iba ang level ng pressure kapag ikaw yung nagko-compete. I'm not gonna ask you anything. Just share mula kung ano yung naging experience mo and what is your message to your successor. Kasi for sure, he has a big shoe to fill.
Siguro sa akin, i-share ko na lang yung background ko kung paano ako nag-start as before become Mr. Zambales and to compete in the national stage. I was a hotel staff before joining Mr. Zambales. Actually, 2 taon ako inawitan ni Kuya Mike. And ayun,
Mukhang magandang boss si Sir Mike, ha?
tapos ayun, hindi ko sobrang unexpected na ako yung magiging grand winner ng Mr. Zambales. Because the recent Mr. Zambales, then sobrang laking tulong nila sa akin kasi hindi ako to before eh. Laki ng confidence na nabuild nila sa akin, yung character overall. And ayun, sobrang pinapasalamatan ko si Sir Brian Borch and Kuya Mike Robert. Thank you so much. And ang advice ko lang sa next Mr. Zambales is just be yourself and have a good attitude.
Mr. Zambales Philippines
John Roby Gutierrez, Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Subin.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Masinlo.
Mark Lias William, Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Masinlo.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, San Marcelino.
San Rosa Punta, Mr. Zambales, Philippines, San Marcelino.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Iba.
Cedric Capapas, Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Iba.
Pala siya.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Castellanos.
Great to say, huh? Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Castellanos.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Kabanggan.
Russell Magalso, Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Kabanggan.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Candelaria.
Zambales Philippines, Candelaria.
Mr. Zambales Philippines, Butol.
Agustin, Mr. Zambales Philippines, Botolan! Mr. Zambales Philippines, San Antonio.
Angelo Jeffrey Luz, Mr. Zambales Philippines, San Antonio.
Mr. Zambales Philippines, Malawi.
Gay Anuswan, Mr. Zambales Philippines, Malawi.
Gutierrez.
Go, John Ruby.
Up next, your Mr. Zambales Philippines, Mark Diaz Villar.
Sabi ko kung nakakaway ko ka. Nakakaway ko nakikita ko.
Mr. Zambales Philippines, San Marcelino, John Ross Augusta.
Up next, your Mr. Zambales Philippines, Iba Cedric Cabajas.
Mr. Zambales Philippines, Castillejos. Philippines, Candelaria, Pierre Daniel Magat.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Butol, Axel Kate Agustin.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, San Antonio, Angelo Jeffrey Gelos.
Mr. Zambales, Philippines, Malawi, Jay Hansen.
Natuwa ako sa kanya.
And there you have it. We present to you the official gifts of Zambales 2026. Thank you very much, Mr. Trevor McKay. Thank you very much, candidates. And now that you are officially slashed, you wear it with pride, dignity, and honor. Since you are not only representing yourselves anymore, but your town municipalities and your cities. So good luck, and I'll see you on your next journey as Mr. Zambales Philippines 2026 is ongoing.
Hope to see you once again. This has been your host for tonight. I am Clarence Abueg,
I am Ayan Abad Santos.
Sulu Zambales,
And good night.
kami sa sport.